Chapter 5, Dawn, Rebuild, and a Shadow Below. Outside, dawn arrived like a promise kept. The paladin knelt on scorched ground, dented armor catching the first light. The witch held a small spell in her hands, a steady glow that eased pain and closed wounds. They were exhausted, burned, and shaken, but they were standing. Captain Garron and the militia helped people return from hiding. Citizens formed lines to clear rubble. Hands reached for one another instead of pushing away. The witch healed where she could, careful not to drain herself too far. The paladin lifted beams and stones as if rebuilding was part of the battle. Because it was, victory is not just defeating a monster. It's refusing to become hopeless after the damage is done. Later, they stood on the castle battlements, watching banners rise again. The air still smelled of ash, but it no longer felt like the end of the world. The witch spoke softly. "We did it," she said, like she was afraid the words might vanish. The paladin nodded. "We earned it," he replied. And so did everyone who held on long enough to see this morning. Far away, deep beneath an ancient mountain not marked on any map, water rippled in a cavern lake. Broken chains lay on stone like old memories. Something enormous shifted in the dark that a pair of eyes opened, glowing with waking hatred. The defeated dragon had a brother, and after centuries of sleep, it had finally risen.